Hi guys, welcome to the GFS channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys this wonderful video as always. So today we are back again with this wonderful boom and crash strategy. This strategy is very effective as always, and then it's a crazy boom and crash strategy you can use to grow your account into a fortune. As you can see right here, I'm growing a $2,700 account to a what to $9,000 profit, which I'm running to what 6,000 to 6,600 plus profit. This is a crazy strategy. As you can see, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also now push notification. Let I post any video in this strategy you'll be notified by YouTube. So with that being said, then you can see if you want to make this such amount of boom and crash, and you can see yesterday I catch some crazy spike. I put it on my YouTube channel. You can check the video. So this is what this is trade that I've been holding since 3 days now. So and it's giving me a lot of profit. So this strategy I'm about to show you guys is what is a strategy that you can use to also make a fortune. So if you want to make a fortune, want to make a huge profits on Puma Cash, make sure you watch this video to the end. And also make sure you join my Telegram channel for free signal. I post free signal every day. Join my Telegram channel for free signal. And if you want like account management, you can contact this number you are seeing on the screen, and I will do account management for you. I have a lot of people that are doing account management on my what that I do train, and what they can help you grow your account. And I also manage your account for you. So that means so let's quickly dive into today's video without wasting much of our time. So let's go to your chart. You can see we have a clean chart right here. So so let's first use boom. Let's first use criteria for this sake of this video. So you can see something right here. This scratch theory is what is a downtrend market. So it's a downtrend market. So now guys, you can see I've already set everything up. So this strategy contains two things. You can use strategy to scalp, and you can also see to swing. So if you want to be a swing trader, you can use strategy. If you want to scalp, you can also use this stream strategy. So let me first show you guys the setup for the strategy before I show you guys on how you guys can make use of the strategy. So let me first set everything up so you can start from scratch. Now as you can see here that I have a clean chart and I have a clean chart. So now let me show you guys so now you guys can set this everything up. So the first thing you are going to do is just go to this icon right at the top. Go to this icon. Then after click on this icon, then click on the F plus right here. So after clicking on the F plus, then add your moving average. You can see this is the moving average right here. So then add your moving average. So the moving average, the period is what this is period. The first period is 10. The first period is 10. So the first period is 10. Shift 0 method is method apply to open. You don't know. Apply this one is apply to close. So applies to code the style, and the color that I do choose is the green color. So I don't choose the green color. So set everything up like this. Then after set everything up, then click on done, and you have your moving average in your chart. So the second indicator we are going to add is the moving average as well. So we are going to add our moving average right here. So click on this icon, then add your moving average. So the period of the moving average is going to be 15. 0 method is the same method. So apply to open is going to be applied to open. And then the color is we are going to choose red. We are going to choose red. Then after set everything up like this, this one is 12. So I need to change to 15. Then after set everything up like this, then click on done, and you have your indicator set up on your main chart. So the third indicator we are going to be adding, which is going to be on the indicator window 1. So we are going to click on this icon right here, then click on it and add your commodity channel index. Use your commodity channel index, then add it up. So the period is 40, applies to typical price HLC/3. So the style is 3 pixels. You have to choose color of your choice, then click on done after you set everything up, and you have your commodity channel index set up. So the last indicator we are going to be adding is our stochastic oscillator. So this is the stochastic oscillator right here. Then click on it. This is parameter for the stochastic oscillator. set everything up like this, and these are the levels. There's the levels right here. These levels, the levels. So set everything up like this, and then what? And then you click on done. After set everything up, then click on done. You have your what? You have your indicator. You have your indicator set up. So now let me show you guys. Let me show you guys how you can make use of the strategy effectively to what to be milking the right crazily. So now, what you have to do now is that you have your indicator set up. So the first thing you have going to take note of, the first thing you are going to take note of is what is this level right here. Is this level right here and these levels. That is the level you are going to take note of. Now I'm going to show you guys on how you guys can use it to swing. Before I show you guys and where I tell you guys or show you guys and teach you guys how you can use this word to scalp. So then we'll show you guys how you can use this to swing. Now the first thing you have to know is that level, the 20 and 10 levels and the what 90 and 80 levels. So the first thing you have to take note of is that you have to see that this market is right at this what. Now let's say you want to sell, want to go for a sell. Now the first thing you have to take note of, you have to see that your commodity channel index has to be at the 90 or 80 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Now once that confirmation, you have seen that confirmation, the next confirmation you are waiting for is a crossover. You can see a crossover. You can see a crossover right at this area. Then after you see a crossover in your chart, after you see a crossover right at the chart, after you see a crossover, then you go for your sell. You go for your sell. Now sometimes the market might cross over and still going in negative direction. This is what you have to do. Now let's say you see a crossover right at this area. Let's see like this area. When you see a crossover, you can see a crossover right here. Now you have to wait. You have to make sure that you see a candle crossing over the chart, and the green line, you can see the green line also crossing over. You can see a crossover right here, and the indicator and the candle is closing above the moving average, and also it crossing over in the moving average, which is crossing over. And also the third confirmation is that commodity channel index at the 90 or 80 levels of stochastic oscillator. That's a simple strategy. That is how you guys can make use of strategy. Make sure you text everything on your demo account as always. Make sure you do test it on the demo account. I've already backtested it, and I'm using it for my personal real account. So you can also backtest it, but if you listen to what I told you guys, if you do it as I say in this video, you don't need any backtesting before you can start using the strategy. You can see that when all these criteria have been met, you can see what the market usually does. It starts spiking to the downside. It's just simple as that. So simple as that. That's why you guys can make use of the strategy. Now that's for sale. Now let's say you want to go for buy. Same thing applicable, guys. Now you have to see that the commodity channel is at the 20 or 10 levels of is at the 20 or 10 levels of the RSI. 20 levels or 10 levels of the RSI. As you can see crossing over right, and we rest in your main chart of the indicator. So you can see a crossover. Right here. You can see a crossover right here, and you can see this green candle, this momentum candle closing above the moving average, showing us that this market is going to begin a uptrend movement. So that's how you guys can make use of strategy for your for your swing trade. And you can see if you hold this trade, you can see how effective this trade goes. You can see this is a crazy profit. And you can see all the crossover happen right here as well. You can also go for sell. Just simple as that. That is simple strategy. That's simple strategy, and that's how you guys can make use of the strategy to make the market and make a crazy profit. Now let me now show you guys on how you guys can use this to scalp. I hope you guys have a better understanding about it. Make sure if you don't understand how I explain, you can watch this video again. Make sure you watch it and have better understanding about this video. Now there's no zoom level. You can see I've already zoomed to the lowest size. So for me to see the chart clearly, so I have to zoom. Let's say I have to zoom twice. Let's say like this. Yeah, this one is it's okay. So or you can use this. So just use zoom level that you prefer. There's no zoom level, but for the scalping, you need a zoom level. Now let's say you have zoom to the lowest. Now let's go to how many times. This is where you are going to what? This is where you are going to scalp. This is where this is where we are going to scalp. Now you can see that I will zoom it to the lowest. I'm using I will zoom out to the lowest candle. So what you have to do is just zoom in once, then you are good to go. So this is a multiply that this is once, zoom in once, that's what the multiple times. So zoom in once, then you are good to go. You can see I've already zooming on, just zoom in once, then you are what? Then you are good to go. So hold on. How are you going to make use of strategy to what to first scalp, take 5 to 10 candles, and then you are out of the market. Now the first thing you have to figure out is that you have to go to the 15-minute time frame. What are you going to do in the 15-minute time frame? You have to first know the market direction. Now let's say the market is what? Let's say the market is what? The market is in a downtrend like this. So what are you expecting to do? You are expecting to sell. We are not expecting to buy. You are expecting to sell. This is a downtrend market, and when the market is in an uptrend, then you are expecting to buy. As simple as that. Then after you spot that the market is in downtrend, what are you waiting for? Then you go to your 1-minute time frame. After you go to your 1-minute time frame, then you are aiming to catch spike. You are aiming to catch spike because you are seeing a confirmation that the market is in a downtrend. So now let's say I want to catch spike. Sorry, I don't think this strategy is useful to catch spike. I've already backtested it. I don't think it's used to catch spike, but you can test it on your own, or that you guys test it on your own, or you guys can use it to catch spike. But now I want to use strategy to scalp. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to note that you have to first know the market direction. Now let's say the market is what the market is in is trending. It's trending right here. Let's say the market is trending right here. So we are aiming to buy this market right here. There's no way we can buy this market and we catch us. There's no way. Now let's mark that area out. So let's mark that area out with this. So we have already marked the area out. Then let's go to 1-minute time frame to find that area. So oh yeah, this is the area right here. This is the area right here. Now this is the first thing you have to take note of. Now you can see the market is in an uptrend. Now you can see what is happening. You can see what is happening right here. Now the common channel is right at the 20 or 10 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Now when that has been met, then you wait for a crossing over right at the indicator. You wait for a crossing over, and once that crossing over is happening, then you go for your buy. You go for your buy, and then you make a fortune. You make it 5 to 10 candles, and then you're out of the market. Now after let's say you take 5 to 10 candles and then you leave the market, the next thing you are going to wait for a spike. You're going to wait for a spike to occur. You can see this spike occur right here. Then the next thing you are going to wait for you are going to wait for a crossing over as well. Wait for a crossing over right here. Once you see a crossing over, then you also go for a buy. And you try to take 10 candles, you are out. Then wait for another spike to occur until multiple spike occurs. Now this is where the multiple spike occurs. Then you are not going to trade anymore. That is the secret. Make sure if you see it now, you want to see right from this movement right here. The market is making just one spike before it shoot to the top side. Just making just one spike. Now you can see this is where the market make a multiple spike. You can see this is where the market is making a multiple spike. Then after you see the market is making a multiple spike, then you are out of the trade. You don't take any trade anymore. You don't take any trade anymore. Then you wait for another opportunity. Another opportunity is where the market is also in an uptrend. So that's how you guys can make your strategy. I hope you guys have better understanding about strategy, and I hope you guys love this type of content. So make sure you do me review if you don't understand about the strategy, just watch it again. And also, if you are watching this video till now, I'm very sure you have a better understanding about strategy. Make sure you backtest it and then start using it to make a crazy money on the live, as you can see, as I always did. So this strategy is very, very terrible. I use this strategy to swing trade. I'm not using it to scalp. I use strategy for swing trade. As you can see, this is a crazy profit. This 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 strategy I was able to make me this key strategy this video was able to make me. So as simple as that strategy is. So if you are new to my channel and if you love this type content, don't forget to what subscribe to my channel, like these videos, and not turn on your push notification when I post a strategy. You guys will be happy. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for free signal, and also make sure if you want account management, just contact the number you are seeing at your screen. Then we will do account management for you. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.